So I don't know if you can tell, but I do believe that those birds are teasing Roxas. No bird would really sit on the perch in front of all the humans out there. What do you think, Roxas?